Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. India's weather is changing fast. From Delhi heat waves to heavy rain in the South India is currently experiencing dramatic weather contrast with scorching heat wave conditions in some regions and heavy monsoon rainfall in others. As the southwest monsoon advances across the country, weather experts are warning travelers and residents to prepare for rapidly changing conditions. In northern India, cities including Delhi have recently battled intense heat and humidity. Temperatures have remained well above seasonal averages, making outdoor activities challenging. However, changing weather patterns are beginning to bring some relief, with rain and thunderstorms forecast for parts of the National Capital Region in the coming days. Recent showers have already helped lower temperatures in some areas. Meanwhile, southern India is experiencing a very different story. The southwest monsoon has arrived over Kerala and continues to strengthen, bringing widespread rainfall across Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and neighbouring regions. Several districts in Kerala remain under weather alerts as authorities monitor the risk of flooding, waterlogging and landslides, especially in vulnerable hilly areas. The northeastern states are also seeing increasing rainfall activity as moisture-rich monsoon winds spread further across the region. Travelers planning visits to popular hill stations, coastal destinations or wildlife reserves are being advised to check local weather forecasts regularly and prepare for possible transportation delays. Weather experts say this sharp contrast between extreme heat in some areas and heavy rainfall in others highlights the growing variability of India's climate. The developing monsoon season, combined with broader climate influences and the potential emergence of El Nino later this year, could lead to periods of intense rainfall as well as extended dry spells in different parts of the country. For travelers, the message is simple: stay informed and stay prepared. Those visiting heat-affected regions should remain hydrated, avoid prolonged exposure during peak afternoon hours, and monitor heat advisories. In rain-affected areas, travelers should allow extra time for journeys, be aware of flood-prone roads, and keep an eye on local weather warnings. Looking ahead, forecasters expect the monsoon to continue advancing across more parts of India during the coming weeks, bringing much-needed rainfall but also the possibility of localized flooding and thunderstorms. Weather conditions are likely to remain highly dynamic as the country transitions fully into the monsoon season. That's all for now. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more weather updates from across India and around the world. Thanks for watching.